Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix some Instagram filters not working. I'm actually going to go over a couple reasons why your Instagram filters might not be working or they might not be showing for you, but they could be showing for someone else. So I'm just going to go over a couple different ways with you. So I'm just going to head over to Instagram really quick. And if you notice, for example, that when you go onto your Instagram and you just click on the plus symbol at the bottom, if you notice that there's no filters like there is here for me, sometimes in some people's Instagram, this will bring up filters. For me, it's not right now. So another way you could go get your filters if you click on cancel is if you go over to your story instead of starting a new video or post with that. If you just go over to your story or just click on the camera on the top left, you'll notice that you'll get more options than you would any other way. So just like this right here, if I go to my camera button and then you'll see I have all my filters here as well, whereas before I did not. So this is one way that you can go and check to see if your filters will show up, or maybe some will show up that didn't before. So that's one way that you guys could take a look. Another way that I recommend you guys taking a look at your filters not working or try to fix them is if you go over to your settings, you just want to go over to storage. And all we're going to do is clear the cache for Instagram, just so it opens up any corruption files or anything like that, just to clean the application up to see if that's causing anything in the background of the application. So all you have to do is go to your iPhone storage, and then you want to go over to Instagram, and then just click on Offload App and Offload. So this is going to delete some of the application files and keep your documents and data on board. So once it's offloaded, you just want to click on Reinstall App. And that's just going to put everything back, but a fresh version of it. So if there's any corrupted files or anything like that causing some of your filters to not appear for you, this will fix it right here. So we're just going to give this a couple seconds to re-upload. It should only take about maybe 15-20 seconds max. And once it's done, it'll just say offload app again. So you can exit out of here and head back over to Instagram. And then you can go ahead and take a look and see if your filters are now showing up. Worst case scenario is they're still not. So another thing that you guys can consider as well is some filters I have learned are just available for some certain regions. So depending on where you are in the world, there's going to be some filters that are just not available to you, unfortunately. So I found that the US, the UK, and Canada have access to a lot of filters. So if you're in countries like India, Pakistan, really anywhere in Asia, or vice versa, if you're in like the US or Canada or the UK, same thing for India and Pakistan. I've noticed they have their own kind of filters as well. It's kind of like all the Asian countries out there in the world. They have their different kind of filters just because there's a different niche market for different areas around the world. So if you want to get access to some of the filters that you see other people have, you could try using a VPN and basically putting yourself in that location just to see what filters are available to them. So VPN wise, I do recommend PureVPN. They're a really, really great VPN service. They're pretty cheap and they're very, very reliable. They will allow you to switch locations so you're able to get new filters from other areas. That's just available through your app store, and there's also a link in the description to sign up with a discount. So if you're interested with that, go check that out, and you'll be able to get PureVPN and change locations for more filters. Otherwise, that's really all the things I've learned from looking up and researching this topic. If your filters are still not working, be sure to leave a comment down below. I'll try to help you guys out however I can, but I hope I was able to give you guys some option at least. If this was helpful to you, be sure to click a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.